How to get projects in Outlier AI. Want to start earning with Outlier AI? Here's how to get projects step by step. So first, complete Outlier's qualification exams. The more skill areas you pass like coding, STEM, or languages, the more projects you'll qualify for. Outlier tracks your reliability score. Consistent, accurate work increases your chances of being invited to new projects. Log in regularly and check your dashboard. Active contributors are prioritized when new projects launch. Expand your skill set. If you can handle multiple domains like advanced math and Spanish, you'll unlock more project opportunities. Projects depend on client demand. Some may last weeks and others just days. Once completed, new ones appear based on your skills. Outlier pays weekly. As you advance to higher tiers or reviewer roles, you'll gain access to better projects and higher rates. To get projects in Outlier AI, pass multiple skill tasks, maintain accuracy, stay active, and diversify your expertise. The more reliable you are, the more projects you'll receive. And that is how to get projects in Outlier AI.